as you can see, this sink needs help. Just look at this. Leftover chicken Alfredo in here and whatever else. So we're gonna clean this sink, clean out the garbage disposal, and we're gonna use these. Gonna be reviewing these, my first time using them, to see if it really cleans. So the instructions seem easy enough. After you clean the stove, they want you to run hot water, then bring the water basically to a little stream, then cut off the disposer, put in a packet, let it foam, and after it foams for about 1 or 2 minutes, rinse it out and should be okay. So, you know, I hope this works because the sink definitely needs it. I usually put like skins of lemons in here to make it smell good, but I just want to try something a little stronger. So let's get to cleaning the sink first. Okay, so the first instruction, can't really see it because of the lighting, or maybe you can. Either way, I'm gonna tell you. So the first instruction is to just run a full stream of hot water. Well, let's make it closer. It says run it by the disposal, but not directly in the disposal. So after that runs, it says to make the stream smaller until just like a thin little stream, like so, of hot water. Then it says to put this package right into the disposal. So resist the urge. Do not open the packet. So once we put this in to the disposal, garbage disposal, we're going to cut on the garbage disposal, all the while keeping the water running. So I'm going to cut that on. Then it's supposed to turn blue. And then let's stick it down in there. In there? Yeah. So let's see. Once it turned blue, the water is supposed to foam up to the top. And when we don't see any more blue, that means that it cleaned. So I'm going to cut the disposal on. It's going to be kind of loud, but let's see. So they say once you don't see the blue foam anymore, the cleaning is complete. The smell was kind of gross, guys. Like, I'm surprised that I smelled stank because I clean this disposal out often. Y'all just see me throw a piece, you know, shredded piece of chicken in there, but don't be judging, you know. I do get clean regularly. So that was very interesting. It says use weekly to prevent buildup and odors. So yeah, it's an easy process. I will continue to use it, and you know, let me know if you use this and what you think about it, or if you have another alternative for cleaning the garbage disposal. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.